Welcome to Aid Growth. Today, we're diving into the world of financial growth and prosperity. In this video, we'll explore a treasure trove of knowledge that can unlock the doors to financial success, security, and wealth. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to elevate your money game, these books are like your personal roadmap to financial freedom and abundance. From timeless classics to modern-day masterpieces, these books offer wisdom, strategies, and insights that can transform the way you think about money and wealth. So, if you're ready to take control of your finances, build a strong financial foundation, and set yourself on the path to prosperity, you're in the right place. Stay tuned as we dive deep into each of these incredible books, exploring the key takeaways and life-changing lessons they have to offer. Don't forget to subscribe to Aid Growth and hit that like button if you're excited to embark on this financial journey with us. Let's get started. The first book that we have for you is The Millionaire Next Door by Thomas J. Stanley and William D. Danko is a book that challenges common stereotypes about millionaires. It presents a concise summary of the book's key points. This book sheds light on the characteristics and habits of millionaires, often referred to as prodigious accumulators of wealth. They live frugally, budget carefully, and prioritize saving and investing. The authors stress the difference between high-income earners who spend most of their earnings, under accumulators of wealth, UAWs, and those with more modest incomes who accumulate significant wealth by living below their means. Financial independence is a priority for PAWs, and they avoid providing excessive financial support to adult children, believing in self-sufficiency. Many millionaires are small business owners who reinvest their profits and practice disciplined personal finance. Education and career choices play a significant role in wealth accumulation. Millionaires often choose practical, high-demand professions. PAWs focus on long-term investments, diversification, and asset allocation to protect and grow their wealth. The book's wealth-building formula is simple: wealth equals income, expenses, x investments. It emphasizes the importance of consistent saving and prudent financial decisions. In essence, The Millionaire Next Door challenges the idea that millionaires are flashy spenders and shows that true wealth is often the result of disciplined financial habits, frugality, and smart saving and investing, rather than high incomes or extravagant lifestyles. The Millionaire Fastlane. The Millionaire Fastlane by M.J. DeMarco is a book that offers a non-traditional approach to wealth building. Here's a concise summary of its key points. The book introduces the concept of two financial paths, the slow lane and the fast lane. The slow lane represents traditional advice of saving and investing for retirement, while the fast lane is about creating wealth quickly. DeMarco emphasizes the importance of entrepreneurship and building scalable businesses or income-generating assets to accelerate wealth creation. Financial independence and enjoying the benefits of wealth in your 30s or 40s are promoted over waiting for traditional retirement age. 5 fast-lane commandments are outlined, focusing on solving problems for people, finding entry points to markets, maintaining control over businesses, scaling income, and maximizing time. True wealth is created by providing value and solving problems for a significant number of people. Building a business that addresses the needs of a large market is crucial. DeMarco introduces a wealth equation to illustrate the relationship between wealth, net profit, and scale. The book cautions against common wealth killers, such as excessive debt, consumerism, and living paycheck to paycheck, which hinder the fast lane journey. In essence, The Millionaire Fastlane encourages readers to challenge conventional financial thinking, embrace entrepreneurship, and create value to achieve rapid wealth and financial independence. It stresses the importance of taking control of one's financial future and building businesses or income streams that have the potential to accelerate wealth. Think and Grow Rich. Think and Grow Rich is a classic self-help and personal development book by Napoleon Hill. It provides a framework for achieving success and wealth. Here's a brief summary. 1. Desire. the book begins with the idea that having a burning desire to achieve a specific goal is the first step to success. Clearly define your goals and commit to them. 2. Faith. Cultivate unwavering faith in your ability to achieve your goals. Belief is a powerful motivator. 3. Autosuggestion. Use positive affirmations and self-talk to influence your subconscious mind. Your thoughts can shape your reality. 4. Specialized knowledge. Acquire specialized knowledge relevant to your goals. Education and expertise are valuable assets. 5. Imagination. Cultivate a creative imagination to come up with innovative solutions and ideas. 6. Organized planning. Create a clear and practical plan for achieving your goals. 7. Decision. Make prompt and firm decisions, avoiding procrastination. 8. Persistence. Develop a strong willpower and persistence to overcome challenges and setbacks. 9. The mastermind. Surround yourself with a supportive network of like-minded individuals who can help you achieve your goals. 10. The subconscious mind. Learn to use your subconscious mind to your advantage. Reprogram it with positive thoughts and beliefs. 11. The brain. Understand the power of your brain and thoughts in achieving your desires. 12. The sixth sense. Trust your intuition and hunches as you work towards your goals. The book emphasizes the idea that success is not solely about monetary wealth but also includes personal and spiritual growth. Hill's principles are based on the idea that a strong desire, belief, and persistent effort can lead to success and financial abundance. The Intelligent Investor. The Intelligent Investor is a classic investment book written by Benjamin Graham, often considered the father of value investing. It provides valuable insights and principles for approaching investment in a thoughtful and disciplined way. Here's a brief summary. 1. Value investing. Graham's core principle is value investing, which involves analyzing stocks as if they were pieces of a business. Look for companies with strong fundamentals and sound financials. 2. Margin of safety. One of the book's central concepts is the margin of safety. Investors should buy stocks when they are undervalued, with a margin of safety to protect against losses. 3. Market fluctuations. Graham advises investors to be prepared for market fluctuations and not to be swayed by short-term market trends or speculative behavior. 4. Mr. Market. Graham introduces the allegory of Mr. Market, an irrational character who offers to buy or sell stocks at various prices. Investors should take advantage of Mr. Market's irrationality. 5. Diversification. Diversify your investments to spread risk. Graham suggests a mix of stocks and bonds to create a balanced portfolio. 6. Long-term perspective. Investors should have a long-term perspective and avoid trying to time the market. Graham promotes the idea of holding investments for the long haul. 7. Emotional discipline. Graham emphasizes the importance of emotional discipline in investing. Don't let fear or greed drive your decisions. 8. Fundamental analysis. The book provides a framework for analyzing financial statements, balance sheets, and income statements to evaluate a company's health and potential as an investment. 9. Investment versus speculation. Graham distinguishes between investment and speculation, encouraging readers to be investors rather than speculators. The Intelligent Investor has had a profound impact on the world of investing and is often considered one of the foundational texts for value investing. It provides a rational and time-tested approach to investing that focuses on long-term wealth accumulation and risk management. The Total Money Makeover. The Total Money Makeover is a personal finance book by Dave Ramsey. It provides a step-by-step plan for managing money, getting out of debt, and achieving financial independence. Here's a brief summary. 1. Baby Steps. Ramsey outlines his Baby Steps plan, which provides a structured path to financial freedom. 2. Save $1,000 for an emergency fund. The first step is to build a small emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses. 3. Debt Snowball. List your debts, starting with the smallest, and pay them off one by one. The idea is to gain momentum as you eliminate each debt. 4. Fully funded emergency fund. Once your debts are paid off, build an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses. 5. Invest 15% of your income. Start investing 15% of your income into retirement accounts like a 401k or IRA. 6. College funding. Save for your children's education, if applicable. 7. Pay off your home. Accelerate your mortgage payments to pay off your home loan early. 8. Build wealth and give. Continue to invest and give to others, as you achieve financial security. The book emphasizes the importance of living within your means, avoiding consumer debt, and being intentional with your financial choices. Dave Ramsey's approach focuses on financial discipline, budgeting, and living debt-free to achieve long-term financial success. It has resonated with many people seeking to improve their financial situations and has become a popular personal finance resource. The Richest Man in Babylon. The Richest Man in Babylon is a classic book by George S. Clason, published in 1926. It offers financial and life advice through a collection of parables set in ancient Babylon. Here's a brief summary. The book emphasizes key principles for achieving financial success. 1. Start thy purse to fattening. Save a portion of your income, at least 10%, before spending. 2. Make thy gold multiply. Invest your savings wisely to grow your wealth. 3. Let thy money work for thee. Make informed investments that generate passive income. 4. Guard thy treasures from loss. Avoid risky investments and get advice from knowledgeable sources. 5. Make of thy dwelling a profitable investment. Own property or invest in your home to build wealth. 6. Ensure a future income. Plan for retirement and financial security. 7. Increase thy ability to earn. Continuously improve your skills and knowledge to increase your earning potential. These timeless principles serve as a foundation for personal financial success and are presented in an easy-to-understand and memorable way through the stories of various characters in ancient Babylon. Your life is a story, and every moment is a page. Don't let anyone else hold the pen. You are the author of your destiny. Remember, it's not just about watching videos or reading books, it's about taking action. It's about becoming the best version of yourself one day at a time. And we are here to support you on this journey. Thank you for being part of our journey today. We hope these book recommendations serve as a catalyst for your financial success. Now, go out there, empower yourself, and take control of your financial future.